Welcome to 2018 and we present you with a game-changing video animation software, Cloud Create, the first web-based animation maker. With the power of Cloud Create, now you can build animated stories with simple clicks. Let's go ahead and check inside Cloud Create. We have amazing animation stories ready to be used in Cloud Create. We plan to have 25 plus stories that makes 100 plus animations. Let's browse through these animations and select one of these. Let's say I want to describe my product using an animated character like a beaver. So I'll choose this story and select one of these or just add all. Special thing about Cloud Create is that it provides so much power to interact with almost every object of the animation. I can change the color of the sky, I can change the color of this moon, I can change the color of the eyes of the beaver and the teeth and the skin. It's just amazing the power it provides. Of course, you can change the color of the text and the text as well. So let's say I'm just gonna go ahead and write here, hello, I'm the super beaver. In the next slide, I'll change this one to this is demo of Cloud Create. It's an amazing animation tool. In the third slide, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the name of the product to Cloud Create and enter a tagline, animations on the go. Here I can place image from my computer or from Pixabay as well. I'm just gonna change it to thank you for watching this product demo and website www.bravin.com. So okay, once I'm done, I can change also the placement of these animations, and I can also add a watermark by this button right here, update logo, and it will add a watermark. I can add images from Pixabay. I can save this project from here on the cloud. Now it's the time to add background music. You can add the background music or record your own voiceover. We have a library in the background music as well. Hit the record button to start recording. It will instantly start recording. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and record. Get set, go. Hello, I'm the super beaver. I'm here to talk about an interesting story. This is the demo of Cloud Create. It's an amazing animation tool. Cloud Create, animations on the go. Thank you for watching this product demo. For more information, visit www.bravin.com. Okay, so we are locked and loaded. Now just hit export to download this video. Okay, now it's ready. Click the download button and the animation is ready. So you see the power of Cloud Create, and this is literally the first animated story maker on the cloud. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you later.